Welcome to Vision Motors. Here, machines are not just driven, they are pushed to their very limits. Today, we bring you a heavily customized GMC luxury van, a true beast that is unbeatable in both style and 1. Computer design stage. First of all, the birth of this van begins on a computer screen. A 3D model is created, where every angle, every curve, and every part is designed. In digital simulation, the vehicle rotates, and within a virtual world, it takes its shape. 2. Parts and assembly and garage. Next, we move into the garage. Here, each part is crafted separately. The bumper, the wheels, the lights, and the armored body. Mechanics assemble them with their own hands, welding and fitting carefully. Slowly, a concept begins to transform into a real machine. 3. 4. First road appearance. After assembly, the van makes its first appearance on the road with a low stance, massive black alloy wheels, and a matte black finish. The look of a futuristic beast is now complete. 5. Speed test, dynamometer and garage. The first test begins with speed. The van is placed on a dynamometer. Tires spin, the engine roars, and the RPM shakes the garage. Here, it's proven that this machine is not just for looks, but is built for real performance. 6. Truck drag test. Then comes the drag test. A massive truck is tied with a heavy rope, and this GMC van pulls it with sheer force. Amidst smoke, dust, and raw power, one thing becomes clear. This van is a true monster. 7. Bulletproof test. Next comes the toughest challenge, the bulletproof test. Bullets rain down from every direction, striking the armored body and sending sparks flying. Yet the van stands firm like a fortress, undamaged, unshaken. 8. Mud and swamp test. Now arrives the mud and swamp test. The van drives through deep, swampy terrain, tires tearing through the mud and splashing water high into the air. The headlights cut through the mist, proving that no terrain can hold this beast back. No interior view. Now, let's step inside. The luxury cabin feels like a lounge. A premium table at the center, surrounded by leather seats all around. The digital dashboard and ambient lighting create a futuristic atmosphere. Inside this armored beast hides a world of pure luxury. 10. Zoom on seats and details. The camera zooms onto the seats. The leather detailing, the stitching, and the comfort are all pure VIP class. Traveling here isn't just a ride, it's a royal experience. 1. Full showcase outro. Finally, the van is showcased across roads and nature, over bridges, through swamps, and after surviving every extreme test. This is not just a piece of design, but a true legend. Power engine. Under the hood lies the true heart of this beast, a high-performance armored engine, built with massive turbochargers and reinforced blocks. It roars like thunder and conquers every test, drag, bullets, or mud. This isn't just an engine, it's unstoppable power. This was the journey of Vision Motors, from a digital design to becoming an armored legend. Here, we don't just drive machines, we test them, push them, and break their limits. If you enjoy powerful builds and extreme tests, don't forget to subscribe and stay with us.